In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Panera gift card. Whether you're grabbing a quick thank you for someone or planning ahead for a birthday, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Start by deciding where you want to make your purchase. You can go directly to the Panera Bread website on your browser or open the Panera app on your phone. If you prefer to shop elsewhere, many major retailers carry Panera gift cards too, including grocery stores, big box stores, and popular online marketplaces. The steps are similar no matter where you buy. Once you're on the Panera site, in the app or on a retailer's page, look for gift cards. You'll usually find this in the main menu, the footer, or by using the search bar. Typing in gift cards or Panera gift card will quickly bring up the right page. Next, choose the type of card you want. You'll typically see two options: an e-gift card, which is digital and delivered by email, or a physical gift card, which is a plastic card sent through the mail. If you need something fast or want to send it instantly, e-gift is the way to go. If you'd like something to hand to someone in person, pick the physical card and allow time for shipping. Now select the amount you'd like to load onto the card. You'll see preset values and sometimes the option to enter a custom amount. Pick what fits your budget and the occasion. You'll be asked for basic details. Enter the recipient's name so it appears with the gift. For an e-gift card, add the recipient's email address. For a physical card, enter a complete shipping address. Take a moment to double-check for typos, especially in the email field, so the card reaches the right person without delays. Add your payment details to complete the purchase. Use a secure payment method that's accepted on the site or in the app, and make sure your billing information matches your payment account to avoid declines. Before you finalize, review your order carefully. Confirm the card type, the amount, the recipient information, and any delivery or shipping estimates. Look for any fees or taxes that may apply. When everything looks correct, tap Buy or Checkout. You'll see a confirmation on screen, and you should receive an email receipt as well. For e-gift cards, the recipient will get the card by email, often within minutes. For physical cards, watch for a shipping confirmation and tracking if it's provided. That's it. Your Panera gift card is on its way.